Hi class, it's Mrs. Murray. We're going to read a book today, and the name of the book is Down on Budget Farm. Have you ever been on a farm? Let's find out what this book is about. Let's turn to page 1. Page 1. The animals work hard on Budget Farm all week. They help Farmer Dave on the farm. He pays them every week for their work. So look in the picture. So this is Farmer Dave. This is a pig. This is a sheep. This is a horse. This is a, what is that? Looks like a cow. Let's turn to page 2. Page 2. So, each animal has a budget. The budget helps them use their money. The budget shows the money they earn, spend, and save. Let's turn to page 3. Page 3. So here the animals are around the month of April. That's the month we're in. Today is their favorite day. It's payday. I like payday. Do you like payday? Let's turn to page 4. Page 4. Farmer Dave gives Percy Pig his paycheck. Percy Pig wants to buy a big bucket of mud. He looks at his budget. He does not have enough money this week. He wants to save money. He says, I will put my money in my piggy bank. Do you have a piggy bank? Let's turn to page 5. Page 5. So here's Farmer Dave, and here is the cow. Farmer Dave gives Carrie Cow her paycheck. Carrie Cow wants to buy new bows for her hair. She looks at her budget. She has enough money this week. She wants to spend her money. Carrie Cow says, I will spend my moolah on bows. Let's turn to page 6. Page 6. What is this animal? Do you know? Farmer Dave gives Henry Horse his paycheck. Henry Horse wants to buy a new saddle. He looks at his budget. He does not have enough money this week. He wants to earn more money. Henry Horse says, I will give rides to our neighbors. What a great idea! Let's turn to page 7. Page 7. What kind of animal is this? Do you know? Farmer Dave gives Shayna Sheep her paycheck. Shayna Sheep wants to donate her money. She looks at her budget. She has enough money this week. She wants to give money to help others. Shayna Sheep says, I will give my money back to the farm. Well, that's very nice of her. Let's turn to page 8. Look, everyone is in the picture. There's the horse, the sheep, the cow, the pig, and Farmer Dave. The animals like to work on the farm. They like to earn money. They have budgets to help them use their money. They can't wait for the next payday. Let's see what's next. We all know what this says. The end. Bye-bye.